Point Dume Cove Trail. This is a fantastic short hike in Point Dume State Beach. Lots to talk about, so let's get into those details. This is 1.1 to 1.3 miles, depending on how much you explore and how far away from the trail entrance you park, and I'll touch base on that. A little under 300 feet elevation, and it is an out and back with a small loop at the top. Getting here, very simple. You're gonna do the Point Dume State Beach. You're gonna pay to enter, and then find parking. If you're here for the beach, anywhere, if you're here to just do this trail, you'll wanna go furthest away from when the entrance point is, so that you don't have to walk as much. And if you want to walk, then walk. Okay, let's get into those details here. Coming in immediately, it is $8 for parking, $15 if it's like a Friday, holidays, you know, things like that. So it changes. It could be up to $15 to park inside the park here. Bathrooms are available. Elevation is early on. You just go up the hill and then it's pretty flat once you're up there. On the north side, if you're following all trails, there's a piece of a trail here that's overgrown. You're not going to see it. You're kind of going to go around it. I'll show that here. Just something to note. Point Dume has amazing views at the very top. There's no real loop up there. If you can find it, do it, but if not, just walk around and explore. Look at all the different sides there. It's a 360-degree view. On the south side, be careful. There is uneven ground. You can slip and fall, and you do not want to do that because you're gonna go a long way down. The last piece that I'll leave you with is there are 3 really nice viewpoints here. On the north end, when you look northeast towards the beach, towards the ocean, there is Point Dume at the very top. And then down below, you can go onto a cliff, and I'll show that here, where you can get some really nice views of both the east and kind of the southwest, or really along the coastline here. Hope you guys enjoyed the trail guide. This is under a mile and a half, but it is really, really beautiful. So hope you enjoyed. Stick around for next week.